My bad.
Hey, what's up guys, BAVTS here, and today I'm going to be showing you how to make Dunkin' Hills milk chocolate brownies by preheating the oven, mixing, pouring, baking, and also serving or packaging, depending on what you want to do with it after you finish. First things first, we're going to want to set the oven to bake 350 degrees. That way, by the time we're done with the other stuff, the oven will be done. Now that that's done, you always want to check the oven to make sure nothing's in it, because that could lead to a serious safety hazard. So the first thing you're going to want to do is rinse out the bowl. Then we can start adding our other stuff. Here's the powder. Let's pour this all in there. We're going to want to have 3 tablespoons. So there's 1, 2, 3. For our vegetable oil, we're going to want to use the 1/3 cup twice. Uh-oh. It's 1. That's 2. Made a little bit of a mess. Next thing you're gonna want to do is grab your egg and, crack it. I said crack it. And then put it in here like so. Try not to get any shells in, of course. I'm great at this, trust. I definitely didn't screw it up on camera. And then next egg. You're gonna want to crack it again. Clean. Now that you got something like this, you're gonna want to mix it up. This part may take a while. You kind of want it to look somewhat like this, I assume. Now it's on to the next step, which is pouring it in. Now it's time to actually put it in there. So now we're gonna want to put a 36 to 40 minute timer. I'm gonna go in the middle, so we're gonna go with a direct 38 timer. And we'll check it when it's done. So my timer just went off, and now it's time to take out the brownie. First, make sure you shut off your bake, and let's do this. Please don't burn myself. So my goofy ass self forgot to put in the spray. So you could poke it with a butter knife or the backside of a spoon. The reason we're poking it is to see if it's wet or not, because if it's wet, we have to put it back in, which from what I can tell, it's perfectly dry. Maybe a little spots, but besides that, well, I'd say we're good. So on to the next part. So let's try the brownie, see how it goes. Honestly, it's scorching hot. It did just come out the oven. But it's honestly pretty well. It tastes pretty good, I mean, I would make it again. Just without all the camera gear. Because this was a hassle. But besides that, pretty yummy. I don't think I feel my taste buds anymore, but pretty yummy, I say so. I had a good time making brownies, and I hope you guys try this at home. And BAVTS signing out. Don't forget to check me out, subscribe, and give me a good score.